Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing our Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. It's the 2023 release. So let's get started. So here we go. So we got this on a Prime Day and it was a really good deal. So there are two Fire HD tablets here. So this is I got one in lilac color and the other one is in ocean. So let's open the box.
You can open yours first, Naomi.
So what does it say? It says 13th generation. There you go. Oh.
It's sad to see it. Oh, there's a charger in it.
Yes, okay, that's just a charger. You don't have to open that, just open the tablet by itself. Let me see that. Don't drop it, please.
Wow.
That's the
So nice.
lilac. Pretty.
Like it's very nice.
Do you like the blue?
Oh, so cool.
Okay, so now let's try to set it up.
Let's get the
So here's the extra accessories that it came with.
blue one. You gotta be kidding me.
There's a charger.
Blue. Is this blue?
No, it's gray.
Gray.
That's the cord and the charger. Is there anything else?
There's instructions. Here's the
There's the instruction. Hello, Fire HD.
Oh, this is so cute. It's
A little pamphlet that it came with.
supposed to open for.
It's the power button.
I'm gonna lay it down on the box. I don't want this thing working. Fire. Oops. Just gonna
Initially, when you turn it on, it opens up a language page. So we're gonna set it up with English language.
Thank you.
I'm gonna press continue. So now we're gonna continue to set up. You're gonna connect it to your Wi-Fi. Just click continue. Meet your Fire tablet.
Welcome to your new Fire tablet.
Yay!
Apps, games, books, and videos are just a tap away. You can download your favorite apps from the App Store, swipe right to For You to find what you love across games, books, videos, and more. Search your tablet and the web using the search bar or Silk web browser. Access and organize apps on the home screen. Tap the keys on the navigation bar to move home, back, or switch between tasks. Use quick settings to access your smart home devices. Get unlimited access to thousands of movies, TV shows, books, and more with an Amazon Prime membership. Find amazing ways to use your tablet hands-free with Alexa. Try asking Alexa for the weather or to play music.
Today, you can expect sunny weather.
With Amazon Kids and the Parent Dashboard, you can create a profile for your child, manage their screen time, and review their content choices. Find help on common topics by clicking the Help app in your Utilities folder. Enjoy your new Fire tablet.
So the next step is enabling location services, which we really don't need since it's for kids. I don't want to autosave videos. Save Wi-Fi passwords to Amazon. We want to do that, so continue. Okay, so the next page is for updates, so we're gonna update it now, or maybe I will update it later. That I have so far. So in this page, you can choose who will use this Fire. So just check the ones that will be using the tablet and just leave the ones that are like this. So if we're gonna have, so we're setting up for one child, that's what we're gonna do, so continue. Next page is for setting screen lock. So we want to do a PIN or a password. You could enter the PIN here. Okay, so it actually offers you an Audible free trial for 30 days, and we mistakenly said yes, but we didn't want to do that. It's for kids, so we don't need that. So let's proceed to the next page. Now it's going to offer you Kindle Unlimited 3 trial. No thanks. Okay, so the next page is like an advertisement for Prime membership. These are the recommended books. So we're just gonna put that now. For the suggested apps that you can get, so there are those like streaming, like Disney, Netflix. We're not gonna use it for those. We're gonna be using this for school, so just school apps like that. I'm gonna pick some school apps like Numbers. These are for kids, but not that. So that's just some of the suggested apps. We can download some more later. So,
Alexa is on your tablet. You can use your voice to open apps. Ask questions. Play music and videos, and more. All you have to do is ask.
okay, let's continue. Okay, get started with Alexa hands-free. So we're gonna use that because it's very convenient. So agree and
Try it
continue.
now. Ask, Alexa, what's the weather?
Okay, Naomi, go ask.
Alexa, what's the weather?
The current weather is 75 degrees Fahrenheit
It's-
with partly sunny skies.
Our Echo answered.
You can look for thunderstorms.
Alexa, what's the weather? So we had to unplug the other Alexa. So let's try it again.
Alexa, what's the weather?
The current weather is 75 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies.
There you go.
Tonight, you can look for thunderstorms with a low of 50 degrees.
Okay, so that's good. Continue. So here are some customization for Alexa hands-free. You could set it to like, let's finish that. So now you're all set. Here's your
Wow.
page. And if you want to switch, oops, you could switch to your kids page like this. Done. Alright, so let's see here. Here's the Amazon Kids, which is going to be this tablet is mainly used. There you go.
Wow.
So on this device, what do we have? We have to download some content.
Can buy I'm gonna buy School Day games online.
Okay, let's go to the App Store. There are previously I have tapped some of those apps, so now you could download them. Just click on them. These apps that are school apps.
You can pick a different sky.
Sight words.
Wallpaper. Oh,
Multiplication.
Mommy, can you get this one? No, it's number game. Two.
Only number games, okay, guys? Bible stories. Noah, stop touching, Bob. Bible stories. There's some books. The boat. Okay, so there's. Okay, so you can download some books. So that's just an example here. Also, here's some examples of wallpapers. You can pick a wallpaper. You could download. Which one do you want, Naomi? That one or Lego? You could just pick something right now, but we could download some more later. They're just colors. This song's gonna get stuck inside.
I like this one.
That one. So for now, she chose that one. So let's set it up, and there you go. Now she's gonna see those apps in here. See this one already downloaded, Scribbles app. So I can add a player. Okay, no. Okay. So that is a recap, our like a quick setup of the Amazon Fire HD10 13th generation. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.